At Michigan State University, we take pride in providing clean, high-quality water to all of our residents. To maintain these standards, our plumbing and piping systems are regularly tested and maintained. If any testing may impact daily life, students will receive an email notification from Infrastructure Planning and Facilities, or IPF. This is the team responsible for maintaining MSU's campus. For example, annual fire pump testing is required for certification. During this process, students may notice slightly discolored red water caused by the presence of iron and manganese mixing with chlorine, which oxidizes the minerals. While this may look unusual, the water remains completely safe to use. To stay informed, be sure to check your MSU email for any IPF updates regarding water system maintenance. You also can review the annual water quality report on the IPF website.